Hi, good day. In this video, I show you how to make a relief in ArtCAM like this. It's a square frame with some certain pattern like this. So let's get started. We create a new model. We draw a rectangle or make it square. Make it about 160 create, and we will put it into center in model like this, and then we draw a circle and give diameter about 20, create, and then we Ctrl C and Ctrl V and use the right arrow button to move it, and then we change the size. We make it we lock the ratio and make it 60 and try maybe even smaller, 12. Okay, looks good. Okay, then I draw a straight line. You can use Control, press down Control button to lock it along the horizontal direction. Then right click. Okay, then I hold Shift key to select this circle, and then I press down and use this center vertically. Okay, and now we can use this trim vectors to cut it. Okay, then I delete this. So I got these two arcs, and then we use this drawn vectors by moving ends. If you don't have it, you can press down and you can select from this. It's this one, drawn vectors by moving ends. So it becomes a single vector like this, and we can see the width of this vector, and actually we can make it the size we want. So if you want the height to be 10, and you can unlock the aspect ratio, and we make it 28 maybe, and apply, and the height remains 10. Okay, and now we use this extrude tool. If you don't have it, you can press down this button and select from these two buttons. It's the second one, extrude. Okay, and we select the square and select. Make sure that this small thing is inside the square, not outside. If it's outside, you need to press this button, reverse direction. So it becomes inside and outside. Make sure it's inside. Okay, and then we select this vector and select. So it's something like this, but we need to reverse it, so it's like this. Okay, that's what we want to get, so we apply and cancel. Back to the top view, and we can move it aside. And now we have this square, and we do an offset. Make it 28, and inward and sharp. Maybe we can make it a bit bigger, 1.2 maybe. Okay, offset. So it's here. So now we select this, hold Shift key and select these two square, and we do the 3D toolpath, make a relief, and use the selected vectors inside, and choose the relief tool. At this angle is 30 degree, and something like this. Select and make an angle 45. And roughing tool, we can use a 6mm, and we define the step down to be 1. So here there will be 10 slices approximately, and we change the material thickness to be same as our wood board, and calculate now. Okay, so we can see here, and do a simulate. So something like this, and we can simulate this. So we got this. Okay, and if you want it to be standalone, we can add 2 more. Turn on the vectors, and use the area clearance, these two, and these two. The depth to be 10. Okay, calculate now. We can simulate it. So it's like this. Also, we can offset it by 20 outside. Okay, select them both, and area clearance, selected vector 10. This offset is okay. Okay. Calculate now, and so we got this down in ArtCAM. Okay, the tutorial is finished for this. I hope this will be helpful for you.